Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 8 and our topic is counting in numbers. Yesterday you learned 11 to 15 and today you learn 15 to 20. You prepare your copy like this. First of all, write date, CW, topic, counting in numbers 15 to 20. Tens and unit, 1 box is left, tens and unit, and this is 15, 15, 1, 5, 15, and you write 15 here, 1 in tens and 5 in unit, 1, 5, 15, 1, 5, 15, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 6, 16, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 7, 17, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 8, 18, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 1, 9, 19, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20, 2, 0, 20, 2, 0, 20, 2, 0, 20. So your classwork is done now and you write HW is same, क्लास वर्क इज़ होमवर्क जो आपने क्लास में किया है यही आप होमवर्क में करेंगे. थैंक यू नर्सरी क्लास.